Marco Colbert, Speedokote Refinish Network. I have a super small one for you guys today, but a useful one. How to use Color Blender as a wet bed for metallic touch-up jobs. A lot of times on jobs like this where I'm blending a black metallic or a gray metallic, and you're spraying your color over your primer and then you stop halfway through the panel, it'll leave you with a very gritty texture right about in here, which will really affect the quality of your job. We'll take Color Blender and we will create a wet bed all throughout here where we're not spraying our base. That way, all the base coat that we spray in here, if any overspray gets on the other parts of the panel, it lays into a nice wet bed and it doesn't create a really rough texture. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna apply our Speedokote Color Blender, and then right after that, we're gonna switch PPS cups and go straight to base right in our primer area.
The color blender is very easy to mix. All you're going to do is grab your mixing cup. We're going to mix it 1-to-1, so 1 part color blender, 1 part reducer of your choice. I'm using the fast because it's a pretty cold day. Go ahead, give it a thorough, good mix, and you're ready to go. The final part of this job is blending the clear coat. I usually like to spray it at a high pressure and just slowly mist it on there until we get a nice smooth edge out of our clear coat. Another little trick I like to do is go ahead and let your clear coat dry tack free for 20 minutes, then come back to see we got a little bit of paint thinner on a rag. Go ahead and wipe off all that overspray while it's still a little tacky and wet, and it'll clean right off. And that'll just leave you with less polishing and buffing you have to do once the job is complete and done. For the Mercedes guys, I honestly am stoked about this finish. This just goes to show once again, when you take the extra steps, we actually up sanded our blend area up to 2000 grit, then used the color blender as a wet bed, applied our base, we got full coverage over our primer, then went ahead, blended the color out a little bit further. When you hit it with that first coat of clear, it already looks like the job is done. It looks that smooth. Part of that is due to how flawless the SMR 135 is as a product, but the other part of that is when you take the extra steps and prep, you really get it right, these are the results you can get. No spray booth, spray in open shop, 40-degree weather, professional results. We did a quick 30-second polish on our blend edge, and it looks beautiful. We cut our blend right in this area, and you honestly really can't tell where we started and stopped the paint. It looks amazing. Same thing down here, just hit it with a real quick polish. Can't tell where we started and stopped for the most part. If you guys are looking for the best auto body and paint supplies out there, hit us up, www.speedokote.com. All orders over $99, free shipping. That wraps up for this one, guys. Like, subscribe, new videos every week.